So my name is Kofi. I'm an IT tech going to school at ICOHS College. So my story began in Africa, I guess. And back there, we don't have a lot of computers. So I've always been fascinated with using a computer and getting my hands on it, figuring it out, seeing what it can do. It took me a while before I was able to get my first computer. I think I was about 12 years old. Barely knew how to use it, so I didn't really mess with it much. But I've always had this yearning to get into computers and learn. I want to teach my parents because my parents don't really know how to use computer either. So as my journey progressed, I eventually started taking classes at Veterans Village. These classes were IT based, so I was able to finally get my chance to know a computer, know the components, put it together, take it apart. Within a month or so, I was getting into the BIOS, and I had completed my first certification exam. So, that was the CompTIA A+ certification exam. And I got a pretty decent score on my first try, passed it on my first try. I felt amazing when I saw that pass. I actually did a little dance when I passed in the lab. It was a great feeling. It was good to know that I'll be able to work my way around a computer. I was really excited to have my certification. It was the first certification I ever got. It took a lot to get there, a lot of studying, a lot of taking notes, a lot of just showing up, being present for class. And the teachers that taught us were amazing. And you can't learn anything without a good teacher. My parents were excited when they found out. They were really happy for me that I was taking this route, because I've been not taking the right routes for the past few years, and this made them really happy. Now that made me really happy. Finally, I can teach my mother how to use her cell phone. It was CompTIA A+ certification, which I had. Well, eventually I came to ICOHS College, and I enrolled into a networking program here. And with that, I have another certificate from Testout. That was another big accomplishment in my books. And I'm just getting all the certs I can right now. And I know I'm in the right place, around the right people. It's just all around wholesome environment, and I'm so happy to be where I am.
And what is it that you like here too? What are the little things that you like?
Oh, little things. Snacks and alkaline water. There's always seems to be something to keep you going here. And it's one of those places where you feel comfortable before you even walk out the door for the first time. And the staff is great, amazing people work here. Everybody's here for a good reason. Yeah, great people work here, amazing staff. They care about the students. That's one thing that you can feel once you're in this environment. Everything is about making sure you succeed in your field, whether you choose to be a holistic practitioner or an IT tech, you're in the right place.